LCD monitor. The LCD monitor, which stands for Liquid Crystal Display, became the dominant desktop display technology in the early 2000s when it replaced the bulky cathode ray tube monitors that had filled desks for decades. LCD panels work by shining a backlight through a layer of liquid crystals that can be electronically manipulated to control how much light passes through each pixel. The result is a flat, lightweight screen that consumes significantly less power and occupies far less desk space than its predecessor. LCD monitors remain the most common display type found in offices, schools, and homes worldwide due to their mature technology, low manufacturing costs, and wide availability across every screen size and price point. They represent the reliable, everyday workhorse of the monitor market.
LED monitor. LED monitors are a refined evolution of LCD technology, where the traditional fluorescent backlight is replaced with light-emitting diodes. This change delivers several meaningful improvements. LED backlights are thinner, more energy efficient, and capable of producing brighter images than fluorescent alternatives. They also allow for more precise local dimming in some implementations, where different zones of the backlight can be independently controlled to produce deeper blacks in dark areas of the image while maintaining brightness elsewhere. The vast majority of monitors sold today use LED backlighting, making the term LED monitor somewhat redundant in practice, though it persists in marketing to distinguish products from older fluorescent backlit LCD displays. Edge-lit LED designs are the thinnest, while full-array designs offer better contrast performance. OLED monitor. OLED monitors use organic light-emitting diode technology, where each individual pixel generates its own light, rather than relying on a backlight. This fundamental difference produces image quality characteristics that traditional LCD and LED displays cannot match. Perfect black levels, achieved by simply turning off individual pixels completely. Infinite contrast ratio, and exceptionally wide viewing angles, where color accuracy is maintained regardless of the observer's position. OLED monitors deliver vivid, lifelike colors with a visual depth that immediately distinguishes them from backlit displays. The technology has long been established in premium smartphones and televisions, and has more recently become available in desktop monitors for creative professionals and enthusiasts. Burn-in, where static elements can leave a permanent impression over time, remains a consideration for users displaying fixed interface elements for extended periods. 4K monitor. A 4K monitor features a display resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, which is 4 times the pixel count of a standard 1080p Full HD display. This higher pixel density produces noticeably sharper text, finer detail in images and video, and a more immersive overall visual experience. The benefits of 4K resolution are most apparent on larger screens, where individual pixels would otherwise become visible at typical viewing distances. Video editors, photographers, graphic designers, and animators rely on 4K monitors to review their work at the resolution at which it will be consumed. Gaming at 4K resolution requires significantly more powerful graphics hardware to maintain smooth frame rates compared to lower resolutions. As panel manufacturing costs have fallen, 4K monitors have become increasingly affordable and are now available across a wide range of price points.
Curved monitor. Curved monitors feature displays that are gently bent along the horizontal axis to wrap partially around the viewer's field of vision. The curve is designed to place all parts of the screen at a more equal distance from the viewer's eyes, reducing the need for eye movement to scan across large screens and theoretically reducing eye strain during extended use. Ultra-wide curved monitors, used for gaming and content creation, create an immersive experience that flat screens of equivalent size cannot replicate. The degree of curvature is expressed as a radius measurement. An 1800 R curve is more pronounced than a 3000 R curve. Curved monitors are most impactful at larger screen sizes of 27 inches and above, where the curvature becomes perceptible, and are less meaningful in smaller screen formats.
Ultra-wide monitor. Ultra-wide monitors feature an aspect ratio of 21:9 or wider compared to the standard 16:9 ratio of conventional monitors. This extended horizontal canvas provides significantly more screen real estate without increasing the vertical height of the display. Professionals who work across multiple windows simultaneously, video editors with long timelines, programmers with multiple code windows, financial analysts with spreadsheets and charts, find that an ultra-wide monitor effectively replaces the need for a dual monitor setup, with the advantage of having no gap or bezel interrupting the view in the center. Games that support ultra-wide resolutions deliver a more panoramic and immersive experience than standard aspect ratio displays. The wider format also makes ultra-wide monitors popular for cinematic video content, which is typically recorded and distributed in ratios close to 21:9. Gaming monitor. Gaming monitors are designed specifically to enhance the competitive and immersive aspects of video game playing through a combination of high refresh rates, low response times, and specialized image processing features. High refresh rates of 144 Hz, 240 Hz, or even 360 Hz ensure that motion appears smooth and responsive, which is particularly important in fast-paced competitive games where seeing and reacting to movement quickly can determine the outcome. Response time, measured in milliseconds, indicates how quickly individual pixels can change from one color to another. Lower response times reduce motion blur and ghosting behind fast-moving objects. Technologies like NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync synchronize the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's output, eliminating screen-tearing artifacts that occur when the two operate at different speeds.
Portable monitor. Portable monitors are slim, lightweight secondary displays that can be carried in a laptop bag and connected to a laptop, smartphone, or gaming console to extend the available screen space away from a fixed desk setup. They are typically powered and driven entirely through a single USB-C cable connected to the host device, eliminating the need for a separate power adapter. Business travelers use portable monitors to create a dual-screen workspace in hotel rooms. Gamers take them to gaming events or friends' houses to play on a larger screen than a laptop display provides. Some portable monitors include built-in batteries, allowing them to operate without any cable for limited periods. The category has grown significantly as remote and hybrid work arrangements have increased the demand for flexible workspace solutions.
Touchscreen monitor. Touchscreen monitors allow direct interaction with the display surface through finger touch or stylus input, transforming the screen from a purely visual output into an interactive input device. They use either resistive technology, where physical pressure activates the touch response, or capacitive technology, which detects the electrical charge of a human finger, with capacitive being the more responsive and accurate modern standard. Touch monitors are standard equipment in point-of-sale systems, industrial control panels, healthcare information terminals, and interactive digital signage. For creative professionals, large touch monitors paired with stylus input provide a natural drawing and illustration experience. Windows computers support touch interaction natively, making touchscreen monitors a practical productivity upgrade for users who prefer direct manipulation of interface elements. Mini LED monitor. Mini LED monitors use a backlighting system where thousands of tiny LED elements are arranged in a dense array behind the display panel, allowing for far more precise local dimming zones than conventional LED backlighting. This technology delivers black levels and contrast ratios that approach OLED quality while avoiding OLED's burn-in vulnerability, making it an attractive option for users who display static content for extended periods. Apple's Pro Display XDR and various gaming monitors from Asus and Samsung use mini LED backlighting to achieve impressive high dynamic range performance. The technology represents a meaningful step forward in display quality within the LCD display family, bridging the gap between traditional LED monitors and the premium image quality of OLED without the associated limitations and higher cost. That covers all the types of computer monitors we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure to subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which type of monitor are you using right now? See you in the next one.